All right, what up, dudes? Chapter 3 is messing you folks up. Is that what's going on? All right. It seems like the math ones are really kind of messing with you folks, huh? The more math-based ones. And you're like, man, I didn't realize chemistry was so much math. And the answer is yes, it is. Absolutely. It's a science. All sciences are heavy math, you know?
Not chemistry.
What is that? Not chemistry. Yeah, chemistry's math. I mean, it's math is like the. All right. I teach physics as well, and I really want to encourage you folks to take physics because you have the opportunity to if you want to. I'll give you a fair warning. It's hard. It's a hard science, and it's math is kind of like the ABCs. Math is to science what the ABCs are to poetry. You can't write poetry without knowing your ABCs. You can't write fluent Japanese haikus without knowing Japanese. Does that make sense? So if you don't know the math, then you're going to have trouble with writing poetry. Or if you don't know the math, you'll have trouble with chemistry. You don't know the math, you'll have trouble with physics. You have trouble with any really rigorous science. Now, you folks have made it through biology, I'm assuming, because a lot of people take biology and you made it to chemistry. And you're like, well, biology didn't have as much math as chemistry. And my answer is this. Biology has plenty amounts of math. I don't know why my vocabulary sucked just then. Biology has a lot of math. The problem is biology is so hard that in your introductory level biology course and even in your freshman level biology course, all they can do is teach you the new ABCs and make you memorize a whole bunch of things. And then in your sophomore level biology course, that's when they're going to incorporate all of these higher level biology concepts, which is a hard science as well, and it's got a lot of math. But anyway, if you're going to go into chemistry and you're going to go into this, you're going to need to really hang with this math. Let's take a look at the homework, and I'll do. How many questions are there on the homework? I don't want to do all of the. I don't want to do all of these for you, but I'll take a look at some of them. All right, so you're talking about chapter 3, just straight up questions, right? You having trouble with that?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that thing looks horrible. You want me to do the first one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I watched everything about the mole, and I tried it. It's just way over my head.
All right. All right, let's do it. Let's do the first one. They all look horrible. I can see where you're coming from. All right. Reference section 3.2 to find the atomic masses of 12 carbon and 13. Oh wait, yeah, I started recording. And the relative abundance of 12 carbon and 13 carbon. If you had the sample of natural carbon containing exactly 1,000 or 10,000 atoms, determine the number of carbon-12 and carbon-13 present. What would be the average mass in units and the total mass in units of the carbon atoms in this sample? If you had the sample of natural carbon containing 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms, determine the number of carbon-12 and carbon-13 presents. What would be the average? Okay. Given that 1 gram is equal to this units, what is the total mass of 1 mole of carbon, of natural carbon in units of grams? Okay. I think that I should reword that question. Give me a second. Let me go run upstairs and go grab my textbook so I can take a look at the sections. Is that cool? All right, let me go run upstairs and go take a look at it. I'll be right back. Sierra, this is Acacia. Acacia, you guys both need to work on algebra because you're not in my chemistry class. I'm doing chemistry tutoring right now. I just did like 2 hours of algebra tutoring. But you guys can work together.
Oh, God. I'm terrible.
But you're terrible at working together?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, it's teamwork.
Yeah.
All right. Whew. Okay. Let me show you my video camera. Don't worry, it's going to face this way. It's not going to face you. How you doing this morning? Okay, cool. Dude, what happened? My computer froze. Okay, give me a second. I gotta log out and log back in. Can you let them know that? I think she's working on 1.9. If you want to work on that with her. If you finished it already. Or if you didn't finish it already. You guys can work together. I'm fine with that. And then ask me for any help if you want. I'm having another one of those asthma issues. I can't breathe.
It said that they hurt.
All right. Okay, let's see. What the hell's going on with my video camera? Dude, come on, computer. I just was using it. Froze again. All right. Not my fault for this thing not working. Man, I'm in trouble. I cannot breathe. I've got 5 more pumps left. Oh, excuse me. All right, chemistry. I'm so sorry that this thing is not working. I don't know what is wrong with this camera. I'm so sorry this thing's not working. You know what? This thing's been recording this whole conversation this whole time.